Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to record a video on your Chromebook so then you can use these videos to upload to your assignments later, maybe in Google Classroom. How you want to get started is you look down in the corner here and you'll see that it has this circle. If you click that, we're going to access our camera on our Chromebook right there. So I'm going to click camera and it should bring up the camera, which it does. Now by default the camera's on photo, but we're going to go to video, so I click video and then it has this start button, so I'll start the video. I've recorded the video now. Where is the video? It's on my computer. It's somewhere. Where is it? Let's take a look. If I click the launcher again, I can go to files right here and that will give me access to all my files. Well, that video should have been saved as a video file, so it should be in files. And if I look for it, I'm going to go to recent because I just recently did it. There it is right there. So it's on there. Now the question is, how do I get that video file into an assignment? I think the easiest way to do this is to put it into Google Classroom, or not Google Classroom, but Google Drive rather. Why? Because we use Google Classroom and your Google Drive is linked to your Google Classroom. Therefore, anything you put into your Drive, you can pull it from your Drive and drop it into the classroom very easily. So here's how you do that. You go up to the waffle up here and notice there's your Drive icon. You can also just type it right into your browser here, Drive. Since I'm logged in on Google, my Drive should come up, which it does. Then in the corner here, you'll see where it says New. If I click New, it'll say File Upload. What that allows me to do is upload a file from my computer onto my Drive. So I click File Upload. I'm going to go to Recent again because I just recently did that video. And there I am. So let's say I want to upload that file. I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to move this over a tad so you can see. I'm going to hit open because that's going to open it up and upload it to my drive. Now it's uploaded to my drive. At this point, I can take that video and I can, like I said, in Google Classroom, I can take that video and I can move that into an assignment or any other place. You can also upload videos maybe on YouTube if you have a YouTube account, or excuse me, some of you like to use phones. Just a little bit of a different process. So in YouTube, you would create the YouTube video and then just copy and paste your YouTube link into your assignment. But if you use a phone, you would just save it up as a movie file, and you can drop the movie file into your assignment as well. I figured since Chromebooks are, everyone has a Chromebook, this might be a sure bet, and so you can use this as a resource. If you have any questions about how to do this, go ahead and give us a holler and we'll help you answer it and walk you through it. All right, guys, see you later.